Zobu zobu enyimba enyi. Zobu enyimba. Zobu nweke enyimba. Azobu na nwanyi enyimba. Na nwanyi amaka enyimba. Na nwanyi dị ụtọ enyimba enyi. Igbo In ekene no na canal Igbotutorials. Ahambu Mwada Blessing Ifnanya Chikuma. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Igbotutorials. My name is Blessing Ifnanya Chikuma. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Okay? So today I'm going to be talking about some questions that I've gotten from people concerning the Igbo language, the Igbo culture, and also address some misconceptions. Okay? So I have my questions written down here, so I'm going to be answering them. The first question is, what language does the Igbo tribe speak? Okay? We the Igbo tribe, we speak Igbo, Asusu Igbo, not Igbo. Please, don't commit that blunder in my ears. Not Igbo, Ibe-o. Not Igbo, I-B-O. It's Igbo, B. Igbo, Asusu Igbo, Kandi Igbo na. So we are the people of Igbo, and we speak the Igbo language, and we call it Asusu Igbo. Okay. The second one I have is Igbo speaking by many people in Nigeria? I can say yes. Many people in Nigeria speak Igbo because we have like 5 eastern states in Nigeria, and they speak Igbo. Igbo is one of the 3 major languages of Nigeria. Okay, so yeah, many people do speak Igbo. It's not a minority language, it's a majority language. Okay, the most common one I get, which is funny, is Igbo bride price expensive. Okay, and in case you don't know, in Nigeria and Igbo land, we pay bride price, like you pay when you come to marry a lady. It's not like that huge amount of money. Yeah, so the answer is, if I should compare it with other tribes in Nigeria, I could say yes, but it's not as crazy as people think it. Okay, although there are some parts that are not to be very crazy, but now it's 21st century and people are getting wiser. Okay, so I would say that the main bride price itself is just a chicken change. Okay, because nobody sells their daughter, but what I would say takes most of the money is the preparations, the things you have to buy, which is not the bride price, which is like the extras. Okay, and which is why these days fathers are becoming wiser, and those extras that are not necessary is removed, like things you buy for the umuadas. Like umuadas are like very strong group. You don't joke with those ones. Okay, things you buy for the umuna, like the kingsmen or anything like that. So these are the things that actually take the money, but the bride price itself in most cases is just, it's not in thousands, it's in hundreds most of the times culturally. Okay, so take note. Another question I have here is, I heard that women are not valued in the Igbo culture. This is my last question for this segment, and I want to say, like, please, where did you people get that misconception from? Women are highly valued in the Igbo culture. I don't dare say more than men, but women are highly valued. Okay, that's why we have this group called the Umuadas, and the men do not have a say in that group. The Umuadas are basically like the women, the first daughters of a family. That is like their groups, and they are very strong force to be contended with if you find yourself in a functional community. Whatever they say holds, and no man can change it. Okay, and that's why we have names like Wanyi Bife, Wanya Biago, Ogo Yibo. Like Wanyi Bife is like woman is light. Wanya Biago, like a woman has a right. It's normally common in households that have boys, then they finally have a girl. Mwanya biago. Mwanya bife. Woman is light. Ego Igbo, my foreign currency. So yeah, the Igbo culture will really value our women. Okay, of course there are some people that will be like which I think every culture have. There is some group of people that is not correct. That'll be like, oh, they don't want to put a girl through school and stuff like that, but it is not rampant in the Igbo culture at all. There are even some homes that the boy will have to be sent to, learn handwork. If the parents are nowhere to do, the boys will be sent to learn skills handworks, while the girls will be sent to school, because we understand that educate a woman and you educate a whole generation. So please throw that misconception out the window. We do value our women. Our women are well respected and well valued. Okay. I think these are the few. If I dare say, we even have a war song that I remember as a kid we sing it like this. Nzobu zobu enyimba enyi, nzobu enyimba, zobu weke enyimba, azobu na mwanyi enyimba, na mwanyi amaka enyimba, na mwanyi doto enyimba enyi. It's not like I'm saying you should kill men, no, don't misunderstand me, but like it shows you, like, even in wartime, even if you're going to your enemy's camp, you do not touch the women there. You save the women and kill the men, but don't kill anybody, or don't come and misunderstand me. Okay, that's the misconceptions I wanted to talk about and the questions I wanted to answer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video, be generous, comment in the comment section below if there is any difference between my culture, Igbo culture, and your Igbo culture, because yeah, there are some slight differences as you go from one Igbo part to another. And also, if you have any other misconceptions you would like me to address, write in the comment section below. Okay, that's it for today, Igbo In. Till next time, come see in the binding.